Some people think it's a waste of time to do social media for their business, but actually, there's a lot of ways you can get clients. The first thing you want to focus on is your content. Is it speaking to the people who are your clients? So think about your content in a way, does this appeal to their pain points and the problems that you solve for them? You also want to think that social media is fundamentally social. Not all of your content should be sales content. It should be educational, it should be fun, and attention grabbing. So when you're creating your content, how do you get clients? Calls to action are key. Without any call to action, there is no action. And they won't contact you, they'll just go, that was great, and move on. So if you're confused on how to get clients through your social media, give us a call. We'd love to help.